Hello? Hello? Okay, OBS, you can go on the top. Okay, OBS, you can go on the top. And I think my birds can be heard in the background. And I think my birds can be heard in the background. Which I prefer not. Okay, I think that might help, but my mic sound like shit now. Okay, I think that might help, but my mic sound like shit now. Yeah. Okay. Let's test Unity audio. Okay. Let's test Unity audio. Let's see. Is that working? No. What's up, Landon? OBS. See, it's not wanting to grab the audio from Unity. And I don't know where the chat is. I think I just moved it off to the side. Yep, there we go. Forgot. Okay, and then if I can figure out audio. Okay. Do I have audio now? Do you guys hear ocean waves? Taking that as a no. Let's see. Let me get rid of some of these other things. I think that might do something. Does that work? Do we hear the ocean? Looks like there's two YouTube chats. Get rid of one of those. Okay. Okay, now I can ping the Discord. Okay. Now that we have our audio issues sorted out. Well, first off, is my voice loud enough compared to the game? Yep, balancing is good. Okay. I guess we can get started on what I wanted to work on today. And that is AI. So I wanted to add crabs to the project. So we're gonna start off with a sphere, and we're gonna make this red. Let's make a new folder for our materials. Crab. There we go. Here's our crab. This is our little fella. Yeah, let's get rid of his collider. Give him a nav mesh agent component. Crab. Alright, and let's make our surface. Let's bake it. This might take a while. Oh god. I might have fucked up, guys. I should have known that baking a surface this large might take a while. What's up, Avancidor? How you doing, man? How's everyone doing today? How we feeling? Okay. Oh, okay, it baked. Hey, what's up, Stroffer? Holy shit. Okay. So, I mean, I don't know what happened, but it definitely baked. I think we need to base it off colliders. Because it's thinking the ocean is walkable. Let's see. Ignore. We're going to ignore the water layer, transparent effects, and UI. Okay, now we'll bake it. And it should be a little bit faster since we're not baking the entire ocean. There we go. So wherever this blue is where AI will be able to traverse. There, we got our crab guy. Let's make him do things. So I set this up in advance, but essentially how the AI works is that there's different factions. And if it detects anything in its detection area, it'll check the faction of whoever it detected, and it'll be like, are we friendly? Are we neutral? Do I want to attack you on sight? So crabs probably will be I guess neutral. What's up, Crazy Dave? This might be vast too. Let's see, where's my faction system? I need to organize all my stuff. Faction manager? There we go. Factions. Okay. And then we'll create faction data for the player. React survival. The good old days, huh, Dave? How you been, man? And we'll make the color white for this guy. Okay. So, relationship between crabs and the player. Neutral. Chilling, working, sleeping. I feel that, bro. That's all I do. I either go to school, work, or I sleep. Today's my day off, thankfully. I literally don't have anything to do today besides work on games. What's up, Ghost? I'm making a survival island game. This is for a YouTube video that I'll hopefully be done within a week. Let's see. Faction. Player faction. And then we need an entity reference on our crab guy. And okay, I guess we do need a collider for now. And he is part of the crab faction. And we'll give him we'll give him an eye. He needs an eye. Character cast helper. How's that Minecraft server you're on going, Dave? I was watching I've been watching your streams on it. Seems pretty sick. You ran for mayor, right? Did the people vote for that yet? Okay. His eye will be like giant enemy crab. That's definitely a funny idea. I think for visualization, we'll give him two spheres as his eyes. Black. Coconut crabs. Does he know? Okay. Up. This is our crab. What do we think of the crab, everyone? This is our work in progress crab. We'll work with this guy until I get the AI done, and then he'll have a proper model and animations. And you know what? Let's give him the Mr. Krabs look. And what I mean by that is just like we'll give him like long protruding eyes. Red. Where's the red? Here we go. How do I? Here we go. Maybe that's too long. Weak point for massive damage. It's just a crab, dude. These things are like 2 centimeters tall. There we go. That's more crab-like. Okay, enough of that. We're getting distracted. Okay. So let's make our crab a base, I guess. So animal AI. You have a creature watching you? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we'll call this I guess we'll call it animal AI. Uh I'm trying to think. Yeah, that's a fine name. Animal AI. Oh my god, I spelled it wrong. It's over. Forgot now. Now I gotta wait for this to recompile. Okay. Animal AI. There we go. Sick. All right, let's see if I remember how this works. So first off, we're gonna need a reference to the entity itself. And then we're gonna need a navmesh agent, which will be moving on the mesh we baked earlier. Okay, and what else are we gonna need? Well, I want to get rid of this and use that chat box. Okay. We need a way to access them. And then let's create a state machine. We love state machines here. Let's see if this is the one that. Why are you? Okay, so we're gonna make a protected integer called tick rate, which is how often the AI will update. Because we don't want it updating every frame because we don't need to have it update every frame. We could have it update at like 30 frames a second and it'll be fine. And then we'll create two methods. We'll just call state machine.update, state machine.fixedUpdate. And let me see, what else do we need to do? Okay. Private void at. You're basically going to make a wrapper for some of these methods. Private void at. There we go. And we'll just call state machine. And then private void any. What got me into game development? Oh, that is an age-old story, man. It's been so long. But essentially back in like I think it was like 8th or 7th grade. I had a lot of free time because I'll reveal some of my lore here. I was in and out of children's hospitals for a majority of my youth. And I had a lot of free time, so I would pretty much play video games all day. And then I was curious, like, how are games made? I googled it, watched some videos. I was like, hey, I want to try this for myself. And then I discovered Unity, which barely ran on my shitty laptop at the time. And I haven't really turned back since. There have been times where like I won't open Unity for months at a time, but at this point I've gotten like so into it that I just can't put it down now. Know what I mean? But I was very on and off, especially in high school. I didn't do much in Unity. We'll call this animal AI. It'll stick. But I mean, it's been a hell of a journey so far. Because I've been doing this for so long. But I have fun. This is one of my favorite things to do. My back itches and I don't know why. Okay, and I'm going to copy the code from this. But for any of you wondering about the comment game, I'm still working on it. There was a lot more comments than I thought there'd be. So it's going to be a little bit, plus I'm in a full-time college student. And I have some midterms coming up, so we'll be a little bit delayed on that. Let's see. Face reveal when? You know what? When I hit 1,000, I'll probably do it. If I can hit it before the end of this year, 100% I'll do a face reveal. Animal AI. Face state. I don't know what kind of video it'd be. I definitely want it to be like a celebration kind of video, but I don't even know what I would talk about. Just copy pasting code from the other project, by the way, the comment game. This is the same AI system that I use in that game, but I'm just modifying it to work with animals. Let's see, what do we need here? It's a very versatile system. Right? It's not what we want. Enemy based state. We want the animal based state. But yeah, get to making fake accounts. Let me close Steam. I don't want to be bothered by this. Okay, I'll open this over there. Okay. Let's see. Public. Entity reference. Entity reference. There we go. Enemy base. We want animal AI. I think that's what we want. What is enemy base? Okay. Yeah, it holds the agent and the entity reference. And this holds the entity. Okay. What's up, Hyperfire? How you doing, man? Animal base. Animal based. I hope you're excited for my next video. Because I know you asked for the anime girl. Let's see. Okay, this should work. I don't know why it's not color coding anything. The nab mesh agent. I'm not sure what to do with the anime girls. Do you want them to be like enemies or friendly? Like they'll fight with you. You are all going to the wall. Kind of want to make these abstract. Okay, we got some arrows. It's always fun. Okay. Control X. It wouldn't be hard to make them enemies. That's for sure. Are you fighting the katana guy, Krasme? On enter. And then we're just gonna generate entity reference. Let's see. Okay, I think we're gonna put the method. Animal base dot public void move to location vector3 location. The big ass flying bug. I can't remember what enemy that is. Okay. Dot move to final position. So whenever this thingy initializes, it'll just move to a random position. So spawn position, we'll just initialize it here. What's up? Don't see my about. I kind of want to look at your about page now. Playable version? I'm aiming for about a week from now. Here we go. Tick rate 30. I forgot how to do on mobile. I don't know, man. The frame rate. The game is kind of performance heavy, but I don't know if I could make this run on mobile, especially the water shader. The water shader is kind of expensive. But it might be possible. Okay. So we need to start with that. And I think we need a reference to our detector. Oops. Character detector. And we'll make a public accessor. Water taxes, indeed, bruh. I think I could optimize the water a bit more. I know the mesh is kind of expensive. Ocean follow. There are lots. I'll have to see what I can do. I might be able to optimize it. Okay. And where's the water itself at? I don't want to touch it on ours. Okay. I'm trying to remember how I do this. It's been a while. Character, detector. And I think this needs a trigger. Yeah. Let's actually remove that. Make a new sphere. Character, detector. Okay. Trigger. Sick. This is our little guy. We'll remove that. This is where he can see. This is his field of vision. Crabs have a generally high FOV. We'll make that kind of high. And then he'll be able to see this far. Whoops. There's our guy. And then if you get this close, he'll detect you no matter what. Okay. Can I save now? Okay. And then we'll just assign that. And then I need to look at the other AI system. Because I forget how that one's initialized. Is it here? No. Enemy. I don't think. Let me open it. Assets. AI. Shooter enemy. Okay. It's been a while since I've worked with AI. So var idle state. And then yeah, we'll make a wander state. And then var flee state. Let's go ahead and make those. Animal AI wander state. And animal AI flee state. Oh, we're gonna be recompiling so much here. It's wander state. Animal AI base state. Definitely not Stroffer. Thanks for the sub. You new around here? I've never seen you before. Not new. Okay. So let's see. Can I go back to my animal AI? And then let's see. Let's make a public enum. I guess we'll call it confidence. We'll call it coward, brave, foolhardy. And then protected, confidence, confidence. There's two Stroffers in the chat. From idle to wander. New font predicate. Character detector dot is detected equals false. And I'll rename this add transition at. So we're gonna go from idling to wander if we don't detect anyone. From wander to idle, depending on confidence. Okay. Or Lee, I mean. So if confidence equals to confidence enum dot coward, add transition at wander to flee if bro is a coward. I just spilled coffee on my shirt. It's over. And we should be fine for now. I'm trying to think. Yeah, let's just do the wandering. Read only. Let's see. Wander. Wander rate. So public override. Put it on update. Private float next time to wander. And public override on enter will generate the next time to wander, time.time plus wander rate. Whenever I see a certain word too many times, like wander, it starts to become like weird to say. And I just don't think it's a real word anymore. What are you warning me about? So let's make the bool. Private bool can wander. Return time is greater than or equal to next time to wander. So if can wander equals false, we're just gonna return and take a new method called wander. Okay, so let's see. We need to generate a random point, add the point to the animal's current position, Then I'm so glad that the AI coding knows what I want to do. It's so handy. Not Stroffer. He's not Stroffer, but he's definitely not Stroffer. I don't know who I believe. All right, so if we can't wander and reached path. Man, you really want me to do that face reveal, huh? Uh, well, how many more accounts do you have to make? I think it's like 210, I think. 208 208 if you've made two already. Well, those aren't your accounts obviously. They say they're not you. So, okay, let's go back to our animal dude. From wander. If we are brave, if we're brave and we are hostile against the detected character, we will tap. So if character, let's see. I'm trying to think. I think we'll handle this other stuff later. If we are a coward, and I'll change this to fearless. Okay. Let's see if our wandering and fleeing works. Go to definition. And protected character detector on update. Let's see. Generate a point away from the character. Dot get closest. Dot transform dot position. And I want to cache the transform, which I already do. That's sick. Let's see. So let's make a protected float, flee radius. And then, yep, sample. It knows. You know what? We need to make a wrapper for this. Let's do a protected vector 3 generate valid points. Vector 3 position. Don't want to keep rewriting the same shit over and over. So generate sample return hit dot position. Where did it go? Math f dot infinity. Okay. Vector 3 valid point equals generate valid point, and then move the animal. Okay. And then we could do that for our wander state as well. We need to pin these. Animal AI. Okay. Go to flee if we detect character. Go to idle if we don't detect a character. And then idle just goes to wander right away. Stroffer, not definitely. A lot of new subs today. Why am I getting a crazy amount of errors or warnings? I think I need to restart the project or recompile. We'll see if it keeps doing it. Maybe not. Still compiling down here. Okay, I think we're good now. No longer having errors. Howard. All right. This is the moment of truth. We'll spawn this guy facing towards me. And we need to give him that. And we'll give him a small detection radius for now. Okay. Let's walk up to him and see if he's scared of me. Looks like I got an error immediately. Jesus Christ. Oh, I forgot to set the default state. Whoopsies. Let's try it again. Hey, there's our guy. Looks like he's generating a wanderer thing way too often. What can we do about that? If can wanders. Okay, we need to. I actually forgot to generate the next time to wander. Generate next time to wander. So he's just gonna infinitely wander. There we go. He's still doing it pretty often, but that's because the wander rate is super low. So I'll default to it at like 10. Yeah, these yappers, huh? Stroffer, not definitely. Okay. Let's get in his thing. Well, it looks like he's not caring about me. Let's recompile. 10. And I would like a way to debug this. Alright, let's try it now. He's still wandering way too much. Let's see, what am I doing wrong? Let's see. If has reached destination equals false. Return. There we go. And now he'll wait to generate a new wander point until he reaches his next one. Okay. Let's see if he sees me. Detected characters, none. Ah. So he's not detecting me. If other.tryget component entity reference. Do I have an entity reference? I do. Let's see. Why would you not be detecting me? Where's the sand at? Trying to think why he wouldn't detect me. So let's just debug other.name. And let's go to our Krabby. And you know what? I want to see this in the inspector. Debug. Alright, so I don't have to go into the stupid debug view in the inspector itself. Do I need to serialize it? Let's make this look nice while we're here. Title. References. Title. Settings. Okay. Now we have AAA quality looking inspector. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, let's see now what happens whenever I enter his little radius. So I should pop up in this list here. Nothing. Wait a sec. First person character. Oh. Alright. Well, I believe I know the issue here. For some reason, this is not accurate. It's like half the scale for some reason. Stroffer on mobile. How many accounts you got, man? There we go. Okay, so I'm thinking we double the scale. I think it depends on its parent. Because I know the parent has a wonky scale. It's a little bit hard to see. There we go. You have more than 10. First person character. The player reference derives from the entity reference. So it should be a. Why are you more? Hello? Okay. I was just right clicking. Okay, let's see. Let's go to our detector. Let's go get detected by him. First person character. Let's do a quick little debug. Because it should be detecting. Else. Detected character does not have an entity reference component. Where did he go? Oh, he's down there. Okay. Debug. Detected. Plus other name. So we know the trigger's working. We can get rid of that. And it is detecting the character, but it looks like it's quitting before it can actually. Oh, okay. So I'm thinking here's our problem. It only adds it if it's detected as hostile. So we need to just add it no matter what. And I don't think we actually care about the faction relationship. Now let's add him. Okay. I'll go in his thingy. There we go. So it's successfully seeing me now. So if I'm like in front of him, oh my god. Well, we got a null. Ooh, I think this is null. Yeah, I think this starts out as null. Okay. And we're gonna get that null for the rest of. Yeah. Ah, that sucks. I have to restart now. Okay. I don't even think I need to do that here. I think I can just do animal base dot character detector. Now let's recompile. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it decides to work. Yay, he's fleeing. Only if he sees us, though. He's like, oh, I'm out of here. And then he should go back to wandering at some point. Yeah, he's wandering. Oh, he ran right towards you. He's like, oh, never mind. So now what we can do is make him see a little bit further. And then we'll change this to like 2. So this is how far he can technically see. And then whenever he runs away, I want to make him run away a little bit further. So default will be 10, but I want to customize that. So now let's make this look nice. Title, references, title settings. And then we'll do serialized, protected float, flee, radius. And then we'll just grab a reference to that. Public float, flee radius. Where's my fleeing? Here we go. So flee radius is equal to whatever we defined. And then I want to do something where he's going to flee a few seconds afterwards. So flee time. So keep fleeing for 5 seconds. So we'll do a public bool is done fleeing. Return private flow flee time left. Fleet time left is less than or equal to 0. And we can default this as 5 as well. Reduce fleet time. Then we'll do a public override on enter. Fleet time left equals fleet time. Default time to fleet. Default fleet radius. Run time, fleet time. All right. And then we can go here. Protected float lead time. And we'll default it to 10. So even if we don't have a character detected, we'll keep fleeing from the last known position. So we're going to need a variable for the last known position. Last known detected character position. And let's make a function to set last known. And we'll get a detector public vector 3. And we'll group those together. All right. Oh my lord. My S key is like sticky for some reason. Let's see. Okay. So we can do the time. So we need to check to see if we detect a character. So let's see. Dot. We're just gonna see. Oh my god, my keys are like sticking together. Dot get closest character not equal to null. Else we're gonna do this. Wait, am I supposed to? I just got a text that I might have to work. Brother, I just got a text from my boss that I was supposed to work, but I didn't get the updated schedule. I'm gonna have to stop the stream here in a sec. Oh, let me call my buddy. Give me 1 sec, guys. Okay. I guess I'm supposed to go to work. My schedule doesn't say I work today, but I guess they didn't send out the new schedule. That's actually crazy. I didn't realize I was supposed to work. Well, like, is it my fault though? Chat, is it my fault? My schedule right now says I'm off. They have a new schedule that says I work today. But my app doesn't say I work today. They never sent it out. They never sent it out. That's so funny. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna have to end the stream, unfortunately. I wanted to keep going because I'm all hyped up on caffeine right now. But I don't have anything to do tomorrow either, so I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow as well. If not, we'll use the last known position for any calculations. Vector 3, flee from origin. That's not the first time they've done this too. Doesn't really surprise me. Kind of sucks. I was enjoying this so far. I got so much caffeine in me right now. Okay. Let's see if this works. And if it does, I'll end the stream. If not, I'm going to have to keep going. So, and we are done fleeing. And release date dot is done fleeing. Equal true. Oh, I just fat fingered the fuck out of that. Okay. And we don't need to comment that. So I want to make sure that flee time left. I mean, this will probably work. Let's see it in action. He's wandering. We're gonna go get detected. Boom. Yeah, he's gonna keep fleeing. He's not gonna stop. He's out of here. Look at him. Now he's done fleeing. So now he's gonna go back to where he spawned at. Then he's gonna start wandering again. Now let's harass him again. Let's make him go inland. Go. It's fairly easy to catch up with the crabs. Oh. Bye. It's a little wonky, but we'll polish it up next time. This is a funny looking crab. I do have a proper crab model that we'll use at some point. But for now, we got this fella. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks, Stroffer, for thank you to all the different not Stroffers for subscribing. Appreciate it, guys. And I'll see you guys next stream. Bye bye.